Stop paying for Unity assets. What if I told you that you can get paid Unity assets, store assets 100% free every single week legally, no cracks, no privacy, no risk. Don't blink because I will show you exactly how to grab them. Hi developers, welcome back to the channel. If you build games in Unity and love saving money, this video is for you. Today I will show you the official way Unity gives away premium paid assets for free every week using a simple coupon code. And quickly, if this is useful so far, hit like, subscribe for more Unity tips, free resources and game dev hacks, and comment free assets. If you want me to post weekly updates on these giveaways, this really helps the channel to grow. And Unity runs a program called Publisher of the Week. Every week, one asset publisher is featured, and from that publisher, one premium paid asset is selected and given away for free using a coupon code at checkout. Let's check it. How we can grab this. Go to the Google and then hit search for the Unity Assets Store. Go back to the website and click on sale button, publisher of the week, and here you can get a coupon code. This is the coupon code for the ultimate nature pack. Get your gift. If you are not signed in, then you have to sign in first, then click on the buy button. It's loading. Then go to the check this. Okay, if you want to receive resources update, then you have to check this also and paste a coupon code here. It is now $14, around $15. Then click apply. Now it is 0. Boom. Now you have to pay now. Click on the pay now button. These free assets include game templates, UI packs, shader controllers, and tools. VFX assets then usually cost $20 to $100 or more, and remember they are available for only 1 week. Okay, and if you miss it, it is gone forever. So check the Unity Asset Store every week and build your premium assets library for free. Thanks for watching, and most important,